No.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? To
He's
Trills?
in it, Tony.
I can see that. And what are you going to do? You get washed down the river?
Jump out, mate! Jump out!
The windows.
Jump!
He's going under.
Are you okay? Is there anyone else inside of the vehicle?
He's already out, Peggy.
Is there anyone else?
Is anyone else in the car?
He's already out, I said.
Henry swimming.
Hey mate, is there anyone else in there?
He just said no.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, you take your time now.
Help is on the way, mate.
I think you can see. You're going to have to watch it too. He's rushing into that.
Clean that hole.
Yeah, I'm on about the boat. Nothing hit reverse.